Toyota and Lexus mileage update. OBDSTAR unlocks 2025 dashboards like magic. What if I told you that you could correct the mileage on a 2024 Toyota Camry or a 2022 Lexus GX550 without even removing the dashboard? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because in today's video, we're diving into a game-changing April 2025 update from OBDSTAR that covers mileage calibration for a massive list of Toyota, Lexus, and Daihatsu models using the powerful S6J3001 and R7F701401 chips. Now here's your challenge and your question. Can you name one Toyota model from 2023 that uses the Vellfire II S6J3001 Denso ECU? If you can, drop it in the comments right now. And hey, before we dive deep, take 1 second to hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and help us reach 1,000 likes and 100 comments within the first 24 hours. Sharing this video with your fellow techs and enthusiasts helps keep this channel alive and thriving. Quick disclaimer before we roll on, this video is purely for educational and informational purposes. All content shared here is aimed at helping technicians, DIYers, and enthusiasts understand automotive diagnostics and programming in a responsible, legal way. We respect all trademarks and follow fair use principles. Please always follow your region's regulations and manufacturer guidelines when working on vehicles. Let's talk about the big news. In April 2025, OBDSTAR dropped a major software update that brought support for mileage correction on dozens of Toyota, Lexus, and Daihatsu vehicles featuring the S6J3001 and R7F701401 chips. This means that for models made from 2018 all the way up to 2024, you can now access mileage calibration features using tools like the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 and the Odomaster, two of the most popular devices in the automotive diagnostic world. The update adds mileage correction support for dashboards running on the S6J3XX chips from 2019 and the R7F701401 chips starting in 2021. What's really exciting is that some of these models don't even require dashboard disassembly when you're using the Toyota 30 cable. That's right, plug in, calibrate, and move on. Simpler, smarter, faster. Let's break down some of the supported vehicles in a way that makes sense for you, especially if you're doing this kind of work in the field. Daihatsu's 2021 Rocky now supports mileage calibration through the S6J3001 Denso ECU. For Lexus, the list is impressive. The 2019 ES and UX use the S6J3001 chip. 2022 models like the GX550, LM350H, LX600, RX850, and NX350 are now supported thanks to the R7F701401 chip. Even the 2022 RX600H and RV250H make the list. Imagine doing mileage adjustment on these premium SUVs without removing a single panel. Toyota owners and techs, you're in for a treat. Supported models include the 2018 Avalon C-Char Camry, Tacoma, and Highlander, all running on the S6J3001 platform. Moving into the newer territory, the 2024 Camry and 2024 Crown use the R7F70141 chip, fully supported now. Want to adjust the mileage on a 2023 Highlander or Race? You can, thanks to this update. From budget-friendly cars like the Yaris V to premium vans like the Vellfire III, support is extensive. Here's something cool, Toyota. 30 cable support now includes ID4A, ID8AB, and ID8AB9 proximity key programming, even in all keys lost situations with no need for a PIN code. And yes, third-party tools are fully supported for these operations. That means even if you're not fully invested in OBDSTAR's ecosystem, you can still take advantage of the update. If you're blown away by how many models are covered in this update, just imagine how much time this could save you or your shop. If you've already tried this update or plan to, drop your experience in the comments. Did it work smoothly? Any surprises? I read every comment, and your feedback helps shape future content. Also, if you're watching this far, thank you. Take a second to like the video and share it in your favorite tech groups or forums. Let's hit our goal of 1,000 likes and get this info in front of the people who need it most. Now, personally, I think this OBDSTAR update is one of the most technician-friendly updates of the year. It's rare to see such a wide spread of supported vehicles across 3 major Japanese brands, especially with models ranging from economy cars to full-size luxury SUVs. The fact that some dashboards don't even require removal? That's a game changer for shop efficiency and job turnaround time. But I want to know what you think. Do you trust these tools enough to use them on luxury models like the Lexus LM350h or Toyota Crown? Or are you still cautious with newer ECUs and chips like the R7F701401? Let's have a real conversation in the comments. Alright, before I wrap this up, let's return to our opening challenge. Remember, I asked if you could name a Toyota model from 2023 that uses the Vellfire II S6J3001 ECU? The answer is the Toyota Avanza. If you got it right, props to you. You're clearly keeping up with the latest tech. Thank you again for tuning in. If this video gave you value, don't just click away. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with a fellow tech or automotive enthusiast. Your support means everything. Remember, stay curious, stay safe, and as always, happy diagnosing. This video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. All trademarks, logos, and vehicle brand names are the property of their respective owners. Always work within the law and manufacturer guidelines when servicing vehicles.